First, install Auto Clicker from Tool Center. After opening, it is recommended that you choose multi-point mode because the enemy refresh position is not fixed during the game. In this game, it is difficult for new players to upgrade and get coins in the early stages, so you need to ask. Now let's start placing the clicker. First, arrange your unit positions. You need to put 3 to arrange it. Don't forget to place a clicker on the skip wave. It will be very useful for your subsequent loot play. You can also set each unit to upgrade. Just click twice. Now, start your 24/7 say FK.